You can use a pliers to crimp, but will the connection be good enough? Let's test that. I don't think so. What if there was a better way to make a safer connection? Well, I think there is. By using this crimping tool with just one squeeze, like that, you'll have a much safer connection. Note that this crimping tool is only used for crimping uninsulated ferrules and lugs. Sizes are ranging from 1.5mm up to 16mm. You can get this crimping tool at Transignal for only 325 Rand.